In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable and disable developer option on your Android device. It's easy, you just need to go to the settings of your phone, scroll down and go to About Device. Go to Version and find build number. Here it is. If you can't find the build number, you can go to the search bar in your settings and search for build number, and here it is. Now to enable developer option, you need to click on build number 7 times. And as you can see, it says, you're now in developer mode. And now the next step is to go back to search bar again and search for developer option. Here it is. Now as you can see, the developer option is now enabled. I can now access the advanced settings of my phone to disable developer options. You just need to click on the turn off button here. Let me know if it works. Just comment down below for your questions. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing to support the channel. Thanks, and take care.